grade math. It's terrific Tuesday. I hope you guys had a nice Memorial Day weekend. That's why I wore the American flag in my hair or on my head. I feel like a princess, an American princess. We were patriotic yesterday, so I'm continuing it today. Anyway, so today we are going to do our last day of time. So it's a whole bunch of review. So I'll go over a few of the key things I taught you, and then you'll do your review sheet in the Google Classroom, and we'll review when we meet. And tomorrow we start something new. So exciting. Okay, so let's go over we'll just go over a few things here. So here's our clock, and you guys are experts on this by now, but we know that the little hand is the hour hand, the bigger hand is the minute hand. The little hand always points to the hour, and the big hand points to the minute. So remember, we'll just say quickly, let's just ask a few questions. What time is it? It is 10:10 on the analog clock, and then you can write that in the digital way. 10:10. Easy. Okay, let's do another one. Then we got a little more difficult where we're telling time to the minute. So let's look at this one. Okay, so we're not at the 1 yet. We're still at the 12. And remember, you can skip count around your clock to help you figure out the minutes if you don't have the little numbers on the clock. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32. So what time is it? It's 12:32. 12:32, written as our digital time. So remember, whenever you start counting your 5, you always jump to the 1, and that's where you start counting by 5s. You don't start on the 12, you start on the 1. So 5. Okay, then what else? Oh yes, we have to do AM and PM. Remember, AM is the morning, so it's from midnight until noon. When noon is right before we eat lunch at school. And then the PM is afternoon, so it's all the way from noon till midnight. So when you come to math class at Chaphagen to see me, it's the PM. So let's do some examples. So if it is, let's see here. Here's a good one. It is 2:20 on game day in Miss Magnuson's math class. Is that the AM or the PM? Well, we play a game day in the afternoon, so that means it is the PM. So 2:20 game day is the PM. So 2:20 game day, PM. Okay, let's see here. Okay, this is 8:25, and the school bell just rang to start our day. Is that the AM or the PM? Well, we start school in the morning, and the morning is AM, so that must mean the school bell in the morning rings at 8:25 AM to start our day. So, AM to start our day at school. All right, let's do another one. Okay, it's 4:12. I'm going to say it's 4:12, and you're enjoying an after-school snack. Well, if it's an after-school snack, what is it? Is it the AM or the PM? It's the PM. So 4:12 PM is when we all enjoy our after-school snack. All right, let's do one more. All right, I have a good one. It's 6:05, and Miss Magnuson's alarm clock just went off to wake her up. Well, her 2 alarm clocks, and she's very sleepy. Is that the AM or the PM? Well, we know that you wake up in the morning, so it must be the AM. So Miss Magnuson's alarm clock went off at 6:05 AM. (6:05 AM) I am not a morning person. Okay, let's do another one. So then we worked on elapsed time. where I would give you 2 times, you have to find, you told me how much time passed. So I may have said it was 4:05, and then what time is it at, then to 4:33. How many minutes passed? So I gave you the start time and the end time. So 4:05 to 4:33. So you put your clocks on the start time, which was 4:05, and then you skip count until you get to 4:33. So here's the 33. You probably want to find it first, and I'm going to count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. How many minutes passed? 28 minutes. 28 minutes. Okay, then the last thing I gave you, oh, we could do one more like that. Hold on. So let's see. If I say it is 1:10 and we want to go to 1:42. So 1:10 to 1:42. Again, you'll put your clocks at 1:10. Just like I did. You want to find 1:42. So here's that 42 mark. So you can skip count around till you get there. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32. So how many minutes passed? I just skip counted 32 minutes. Okay, and we'll review the last type of a LOX problem that we did when I gave you the start time and you found the end time. Now, we did a lot of practice with this last week and during Cookie Land, so I'm going to give you one example. So I'm going to say it is 2:35, and what time is it? Let's say 19 minutes later. What is the end time? 2:35. So again, you put your clocks at 2:35, just like I did, and you're going to skip count by 5s and then 1s around your clock. Remember, you always start, you jump to the next number, and that's when you start skip counting. So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. What time is it now? It is now 2:54. So it's 2:54. Okay, you guys are doing such an awesome job telling time. You are like becoming experts that I think you're going to do fabulous on this last day of time, and we're going to be ready to start something new. So complete your Google Sheet. Make sure you have your clocks when we meet, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.